Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.